We are here for the IDHS water cadaver search class.
Today we're out working with canines on water with the handlers to give not only the canines but also the handlers experience.
That entails getting the dogs to understand that people can be missing in the water and teaching the dogs how to indicate while on a boat because they can't really control where they're going on the boat.
So today gives them an opportunity to work in a controlled environment and get used to working on the water, get used to the boat, and get used to the odor that's provided when there's an incident.
For Indiana Department of Homeland Security to provide this training for us is amazing. My dog is certified in land human remains, and I wanted to progress him and do water.
Depending on the experience level of the dog, some puppies will start out with just boat rides. More experienced dogs will be learning to locate and hone in on the strongest source smell of human remains and water under the boat.
When you're trying to find odor, especially in the water, what we generally tend to do, if it's moving water, we'll go upstream and work down the middle of the stream until we catch odor with the dog. And we can see that by the body language of the dog. They may have a head turn, they may start barking, they might whine. There's some different things that gives us an indication that they've found something in the water.
So on land, it's very easy for the dog to walk over and identify, here's the spot.
Perfect! Who's a good girl? Yes!
When we're working on water, it's all very consistent. You have a flat surface the whole way.
The difference between land and water, if you're doing land human remains, the dog can literally get on top of the source, and you can sometimes see it, sometimes not if it's buried, but the dog knows he's right on top of the source and he's going to give you a good strong alert. Where if you're in the water, there's a lot of current, there's a lot of wind going on, and you're not necessarily going to be right on top of the source. So the handler has to do a lot of reading of the dog, and you have to know the water that you're working in, the depth of the water, the temperature of the water, the wind current, the water current, to kind of give divers an idea of where to start diving to locate the missing person.
So in teaching the dog that their body movements has power as to which way the boat's moving, it creates a dog that will help show us and narrow down a search area for a drowning victim.
This gives an opportunity for different teams to get a wide experience on it. So for new people in search and rescue, this gives a great introduction to what it's like to work different environments.